I'm Bhanumati, came from Madanapalli and studying MBA. Dear Tirupati Saree Pre-Making and Draping Academy, I wanted to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude for providing the free draping saree course at your academy. I really enjoyed the training, super training. I did for what was needed, excellent space and use of time will deliver good subject knowledge training. The knowledge and skills
ప్రింట్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ప్రింట్ వస్తుంది. బాగుందా? అందరికి నచ్చింది.
I gained from this course have been invaluable and I appreciate the efforts and dedication that went to such a comprehensive program. Thank you for helping me draping and confidence in saree draping. I look forward my newfound knowledge in the future. Thank you very much, Writer Madam Garu. This is my certificate. Student session completed successfully, and this is my government certificate. See, thank you very much, Tirupati Saree Pre-Making and Draping Academy, Writer Madam Garu and team members. Very thankful, and we can see here and perfectly completed my saree draping. Thank you very much. This is my today. I learned knowledge and skills. Thank you very much, Tirupati Saree Pre-Making and Draping Academy. Thank you very much, Madam Gayatri Madam Garu. Okay.